Welcome to Electrify Cooking, where we spotlight innovation in the electric cooking sector. Clean Cooking Week 2025 in Kilifi was such a big moment, we decided to split it into 2 episodes. In this 7th episode, we focus on the event itself, where innovators, exhibitors, and enthusiasts came together to showcase the future of cooking. This time, the spotlight isn't just on product innovations, it's also on the event as an innovation in its own right. Clean Cooking Week was designed to spark fresh conversations around clean cooking, especially electric cooking. And here is how it went down. My name is Agnes Kalionge and I am the owner and founder of Jikoni Magic. This is an online brand where I showcase the beauty of cooking using electric cooking appliances, the efficiency, the convenience, and all that accompanies that. And today we are in Kilifi County, where there is the Clean Cooking Week that has run for 3 days. And in it, we had a cook-off competition. In that cook-off competition, we managed to get 9 volunteers who are so excited to come and, participate in the whole event. Out of the 9 participants, we went through 3 elimination rounds, and we ended up with 3 people who are in the finals. And then these 3 people battled it out in the finals, and a winner emerged. And we are quite excited about that.
I participated in the cooking competition where I used the electric induction cooker. I enjoyed it, but I recommend people to use it.
On top of that, we asked for their feedback, and what we got was very encouraging. Majority of them were first-time users, and the learning curve for them was so easy. It was not as steep as other appliances. They were able to operate and produce a meal within the 30 minutes. The other thing that I really must point out is the efficiency that comes about when you cook with the induction cookers, simply because the magnetic coil that is within those induction cookers makes the cooking very easy, because once it's communicated with your cooking pot, it heats up your food, whips it up very quickly, and voila, you have a meal on your table.
Kivyangu mimi nilikuwa nasema watu watumie hii kimaki iko very quick kwa kupika chakula.
Kwa leo tuko hapa Kilifi County. Tuko hapa tuna showcase our induction cooker ambayo inaitwa Atek, na pia pressure cooker inaitwa Tefal, na iko na chart, iko na mwelekezo vile unapaswa kupika. Kama ni chakula fulani unajua inapikwa kwa dakika ngapi, imekuandikia pale. Unaangalia tu dakika, unaweka alafu unafunika. Induction uzuri wake ni 2 burner kwa around 2 years, na manufaa yake ni kwamba inapika haraka, ina save moto. Halafu pia ile chakula ukipika hajaribiki ile madeni yake. Sasa inapika haraka, halafu chakula inakuwa inakusaidia kwa mwili.
Today we are in Kilifi for the Clean Cooking Week, and majorly we are doing a live demo of the fish frying pan, which we call an eye fryer, because the main challenge that we've seen in these communities, especially in Kilifi County, we currently working with women who are doing fish frying using firewood, and they spend a lot of money, and also they cut down the mangroves, since this is an area known for mangroves forest. And now we are trying to help them transition from use of firewood in the activities to use electric cooking or solar cooking. The way we've been able to design our eye fryer is that it's very efficient and also saving on energy. So the design from the outside, because we've been able to insulate, so that means after maybe 20 minutes of frying, you can just switch off the eye fryer and be able to still continue with your frying because of the heat that is retained in the cook stove. So that way they will spend less energy. For people who are using electricity direct, they'll be able to spend less tokens and even save on how much they're spending on firewood currently. Yes, 100%. All our products are solar powered. This is yes.
Naitwa Hailin Mbaka from Kenya Power, and we have come to showcase on how to use the EPC's electric pressure cooker, and we have the induction cooker. Ningependa encourage watu waweze embrace the clean cooking program, because we'll be able to save your time in the house. Health-wise, it is very good because there is nothing that
you can't get sick when you're using the clean cooking energy appliances. And again, about the induction cooker, it's cooked instantly. If you remove your pot from the induction cooker, it will go off after 1 minute. That's how it saves the energy.
I'm the Projects and Partnerships Officer at Nagoya Holding. Nagoya Holding is a company that goes by the trade name Scion Apps. We have been in the clean cooking industry for around since 2015 with our electric pressure cookers and our induction cookers. We currently have a range of about 5 different models of the electric pressure cooker with 1 induction cooker. We got into this space after we saw the numerous reports that are going around showing that the deaths that our people, the Kenyan people, are having by using these other biomass fuels, the charcoal and the firewood. So what we are trying to do as a company is just to stimulate adoption, try to create awareness of these products, show people that these are not far-end or hard-to-reach products. These are products for the common mwananchi in the ground. You can be able to find them at your local store. You can be able to find them with the same ease that you can be able to find a can of charcoal. So key things that we are trying to focus on is product awareness for everybody. Show them that this is the future of Kenya. This is the safe, healthier way to cook your meals. We also believe in a philosophy whereby we are not just going to get that product and leave it to the customer. We like to have this customer journey with our customers, and that's why right now as Sayona we have after-sale centers. You can be able now, should anything happen, the service center is next to you. We can be able to work out the problem with the electric pressure cooker if there is a problem, and we can be able to return it at least within 24 hours.
From innovators unveiling technologies to clean cooking competitions, exhibitions, live demos, and the public engaging at expo stands, Clean Cooking Week revived the energy and creativity driving the sector. Here is a look at the highlights. My absolute highlight, I have to say, is when Her Excellency the First Lady visited our stand that had the combination of GAMOS and CLASP there, and she cooked an egg with us on the induction cooker. And she was also joined by the governor of Kilifi County, who cooked the egg as well. And the CS Energy was also at the table.
During the Clean Cooking Week, Ecobora, we've been able to get a lot of visibility beyond even the air fryer, because we were displaying all our appliances. That's the institutional solar-powered cook stove. We have a solar water heater. We do have a chapati pan that we call an eye pan. People have been able to understand that they don't have to only cook using firewood. We have solutions that use electricity and more so solar.
We can see from the response that we are getting from the local residents here, as well as also government and county officials, that we are moving in the right step, in the right direction. So all we have to do right now is just join hands and try to, as much as possible, stimulate and disseminate the product knowledge on clean cooking technologies so we can get more adoption.
Thanks for joining us on this 7th episode of Electrify Cooking. In this episode, we showcased the innovation of Clean Cooking Week itself, featuring innovators, demonstrations, exhibitions, and the vibrant energy of people who came to experience cooking firsthand. If you're passionate about electric cooking innovations, make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. See you next time as we continue to explore the future of electric cooking across Kenya and Africa.